2022, it's really important. The iGaming operators are looking to grow their acquisition channels. We've been around for 20 years in the marketplace. We've been offering them opportunities to grow through affiliates, through other social media, through marketing strategies. And it remains to be something that we see up to 30% of traffic coming through affiliates for operators, so it's super important. The challenges right now we're seeing in the iGaming industry is about the change and the move to mobile. Also with the amount of content they need to provide to customers. One of the ways that people are doing it is through affiliates, but also through other channels, providing dynamic content, providing through social with influencers, Twitter, Twitch. It's a really important channels for them. So we really offer that software, but also the everyday knowledge of how you can grow your brand in the markets. Income Access being part of the greater PaySafe group, we have an integration between us which allows for affiliate payment processing. It allows that one API that issues payments directly to affiliates, so we streamlined. Along with transparency in our reporting, we're really looking at PaySafe and Income Access being that overall proposition of acquisitions and then payments. So it's really that holistic solution for any operator. Really exciting time for us. We are headquartered in Montreal and we understand the market. We're very present there along with on PaySafe for payments. We see that it's going to be a really important channel for affiliates, especially as they already have traffic in that area. And when any new operator is launching in any new market, you want to work with marketers who understand it. So it remains to be really important, just like in the US when the launch happened, New Jersey and Nevada. Same thing, people were there already and they could help operators right away drive traffic to their brands.